Hello, students. Good morning. Hope everyone is good and safe at home. So we have finished almost half of the syllabus, right? So starting from "You can no longer reach me," said the sky. Okay, Piang, the forest man of India, the watery place, the giant mirror of Rujkan, waiting for the battle, Zelta Dairy. So six lessons we have finished prose, and last class I took the Earth song. Okay, and today we are going to discuss about the second poem. Actually, that is for project, but we'll see what is there. That beautiful poem is what about Wilbur Wright and the Orville Wright. So by seeing this picture, you can imagine that this is a picture of the Wright brothers who invented the flight. Okay. So here, before going to start this poem, so let's see about the author, Stephen Vincent. So born in 1898 and death in 1943, was an American poet, short story writer, and novelist. He is the best known for his narrative poems of American Civil War, John Brownie Beatty, for which he won the Pulitzer Prize in the year 1929, and for the short stories The Devil and the Daniel Webster in the year 1936, and the By the Waters of Boilons in the 1937. In 2009, the Library of America selected winner story The King of a Cat for inclusion in its 2-century retrospective of American fantasies tales edited by Peter Stubb. So this poem is all about the Wright brothers who invented the flight, or we can say it as plane. Wilbur and Orville Wright grew up in a small town in an oak in the year 1903. So these two brothers, so they grown up in a small village, Oi, in the year 1903. The Wright brothers developed the first successful aeroplane in Kitty Hawk. So these two brothers, they first successfully developed an aeroplane in Kitty Hawk, North Carolina, becoming national heroes overnight. So after inventing an aeroplane, so they become national heroes overnight. Here, read this poem to find out more about their shared curiosity about science and technology and how they inspired generation of inventors. So this poem is going to say how they are very curious and how they have worked, and this poem is going to inspire us for generating or generation of invention. Means those who are in the science field, from the technical fields, these stories, this small poem inspire them a lot. So that's why it is said, read this poem to find out more about their shared curiosity about science and technology. So how they are very curious about the science and technology and using it in a proper way, and how they inspire generations of inventors. For the students, for the scholars. So it is very beautiful poem. Said Orville's Wright to Wilbur Wright, these words are very trying. I am sick of hearing them cheek about the fun of flying. This first brother is speaking to second brother that these birds are flying in the sky and making so much of noise by flying. A bird has features, it is true. The bird has feature means it is have unique things, that is they have wings. Okay, that much I freely grant, but must that stop us? Okay, so can they stop? No, it's not possible, because they are having wings. The birds can fly in the over the sky. Said the Wilbur writes, it should not. And so they built a gilder first, and then they built another. So means first they built a light aircraft that flies without an engine. They prepared, they invented that. So first we have to fly like a bird. So let's do without engine, means from aircraft, light aircraft. Okay, so before going to start the machine aeroplane, they started with a light aircraft. Then they tried. Said first, said Owl's right to Wilbur right, these birds are very trying. So daily we have been seeing these birds flying over the sky, and they are doing so much of nonsense things, so much of noise, so much of disturbance to us. But the second brother said it is the nature, it is the future of that birds, that they are very happy by flying. They are not disturbing anyone. They are trying they are flying very happily, and they are enjoying their life. A bird has feature, it is true. The second brother said it is true that bird has a feature, unique feature, like human beings having the feature of talking, walking, and creating inventions. So that much I freely grant, said the Wilbur, right? So and so they built a gilder first, and then they built another. First, initially they built a beautiful small one. So first they tried a light aircraft that flies without an engine. There never were two brothers more devoted to each other. So before that, these two brothers were not spend this much time for an invention. Now they both together are working on the same invention. They ran a dusty little shop for bicycle repairing. So immediately what they did mean, they just went to a cycle shop. They ran a dusty little shop for bicycle repairing, and brought each other soda pop. So means a sweet pizza drink, a drink with bubbles made with the soda, water, fruits, flavor, and sometimes ice cream. And prized each other daring. So before going to start the work, they just got inspired by themselves, and they both were started work with very daringly. They glided here, they glided there. So means they spend their lot of time for inventing that one only. They sometimes skinned their nose. Sometimes what they did, they only got confused, that they only got astonished that whether we are able to do or not. For learning how to rule the air was not a bad for roses, but each would murmur afterwards while patching up his bow. So on a particular day, they both brothers went to a dusty shop, and they brought a bicycle repaired, and they first started the aircraft without an engine. So while coming, they brought soda, snacks, and with a daring spirit, they started inventing the things. They sometimes skinned their nose, but for learning how to rule the air was not a bad for the roses, but each would murmur afterwards while patching up his bro, are we discovered? Of course we are not. The first brother asked, have you discovered the aeroplane? That second brother says, no, still not, we are on the track. So here, my dear friends, I would like to read once again this thing. Said the owl's right to Wilbur writes, these birds are very trying. I am sick of hearing them cheek. about the fun flying a bird has feature. It is true. That much I freely grant, but must that stop us? Why? Said Wilbur writes, it should not. And so they built a gilder first and then they built another. They never were two brothers more devoted to each other. They ran a dusty little shop for bicycle repairing and brought each other soda pop and prized each other's daring. They gilded here, they glided there, they sometimes skinned their nose, for learning how to rule the air was not a bed of rose. But each would murmur afterwards while patching up his bro, are we discovered? What? Of course we are not, the second brother said. And finally, at Kitty Hawk in 1930, let's share it. So, means the day came for the two brothers to celebrate that the first real aeroplane really flew with Orwell's there to stare it. And kingdom may forget their kings, and dogs forget their bites, but not till man forget his wings will man forget the rights. Here the author is saying that so that finally one day in the 1930 series 193 means not 33 means 1903. So there was a chance, there was a day came to the brothers to celebrate their victory because they invented, they discovered the aeroplane. The first real aeroplane really flew with Orwell's there is there to stare it. And kingdoms may forget their kings. Here the saying, the kingdom may forget their kings and dog forget their bites, but not till means so earlier history had upon kingdom. In kingdom, kings may forget. Some dogs may forget. We may forget the help of the people. We may forget our elders. Sometimes our old people or grandparents. But not till man forget his things. But as of now, there is no man has forgotten these two brothers' names. So, will man forget the rights? Again, the author is asking, will this man be forgotten by us? No, it's not be. So, my dear students, it's a very beautiful poem, and it's very kind of the things that this poem is mean for us only. And here some project is there. Okay. So, you may take a cupboard, okay, aluminum foil and clear plastic wrap, black construction paper, ruler, okay. Here activity is for you only. Here the activity is, okay. Sometimes mother will never agree to buy me this expensive phone. She is indeed. Life is not as tough we think. Okay. I feel bad quarreling with my friends, Let me take a cake for her and offer her. Don't think you are. Okay. In inadequate clear was always. Her room is always on a big mess. Okay. So here let's read and answer at least for 3 questions we'll read. Looking at bird, Orwell thought that human did not have a features that bird have and hence flying for humans was impossible. Since birds have features to fly, human too should get some to be able to fly. Even though humans were not physically equipped to fly, they could try other methods to be able to do so. So, second one is the Wright brothers dash making efficiency glider working together and encourage each other. Okay, planned. Okay, persisted in throw off. They carried out dash experiments, some of which ended in mishaps. One or two, few or multiple. Their accident during the attempt to fly dash them, fail to discover, sometimes discourage, always discourage. Their persistence and hard work bore fruits when their aeroplane remained airborne for a while. People heard about them. It seemed that the rights have given humans wings to fly, wings to look at, machine to take about. Okay, so these birds are very trying. I am sick hearing the chick chick about the fun flying. Orwell Wright was sick of hearing birds chick chick because he felt envious of their ability to fly. He felt envious of their ability to sing. They would annoy him with their chirping, and brought each other soda pop and priced each other darling. These lines illustrate that the fact the Filberts and Wolberts loved to drink soda pop and experience each other, had to courage to try out experiments, support and encourage to each other. Read this line from the poem and answer the questions. But not till man forget his wings will man forget the rights. What does the word man stands for? What are the wings mentioned here? Who will the people forget? Never forget. Why will they not be able to forget them ever? Like that, some questions are there, my dear friends. So with these words, I would like to conclude the things, and soon I am going to send the question answers for this one. Maybe today evening only I will send. So thank you so much. So see you. Take care. So if possible, try to listen this video. Listen this video 2 to 3 times. Then you will come to know this poem is very easy to you all. Thank you so much.